guys, my client has blessed me with herbs and veggies in their garden, and I am so excited. Look at that. I did. And see, I thought I was going to the Tehachapi. I did go to the Tehachapi individual farmer market. I'm gonna have a good old salad, huh? You said those are chives?
Yeah, these ones are chives, those are scallions.
Okay. Marigolds? Ooh.
Because in the last days we're kind of hot. Sunflowers are
Oh my gosh, I love sunflowers. This is like on, what was that movie? Feed Me Seymour. Little Shop of Horror. Oh, look at that. And what is that?
beet.
Ooh, another beet. The other one was radish, right?
Yeah, those are radish.
Oh my gosh. And this is a what? Raspberries?
Raspberry roots?
Ooh.
This is just the plant, so you can just put it over there.
Ooh.
They grow fast.
Ooh.
They grow really fast.
I'm like, he gonna eat me. Hey, donkey. Ooh, ooh, not my hand, not my hand, not my hand. Oh my God. Look at the donkeys. Oh my God.